Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to review this Boat Stone 190 Bluetooth speaker. So I ordered this one from Amazon. So I'll be telling about the features and also the price I gave for this one. So it's a portable Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, it has this main power button here, so which you can long press and turn it on like this.
Power on. You've
So
plugged into Nirvana. Your
yeah.
device is ready to pair.
So as you can see, the voice quality is very good, and it has these buttons: minimize the volume and maximize plus, and also you can click this to pause or play the songs you're playing, and also you can answer your phone calls using this. So if you get a call in the middle, you can click to answer the call, or you can long press to cancel. And it has here the spots are given where you can connect the USB cables and charge it, or also a slot is given for audio jack. So then if you see the features what they are providing in this one, move to the Groove Stone 190 version. So as you can see, they claim that it provides 800 mAh battery capacity and it's water resistance, and it's perfect for traveling, as you can hang this to your bag, or in a car, or somewhere, and it's a very lightweight, and it's a water resistant one, so it's good around the pool and all. So next, the features if you're seeing, so as you can see, it has 5-watt output and 50 full range driver, so the sound is very good, and up to 4 hours of playback. Like you can charge it once and then use it continuously for 4 hours, and the connectivity is very fast. You just need to switch on the Bluetooth in your phone, and immediately it gets connected. And the price, if you see, they may claim it as 3000 2999, but in Amazon I got it for 1000 rupees. Thank you for watching.